Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a gate that we did here on this lovely property. It's in Santa Monica, nice neighborhood. And what needed in here, they had a wooden gate that completely gave and broke, and the lady didn't feel safe having this area kind of Mickey Mouse, and anybody could have get in. So look at what we made for her. I'm gonna get closer to this gate. Look how beautiful. You know what, actually, we get a bit further first. And now I'm gonna get closer. You can see how beautiful this work is, with the glass on the side, both sides, with a handle. It has a lock, a cylinder key on both sides. So you can either keep it in a passage mode or lock it completely. And look at how beautiful the powder coating is. It's a high-class powder coating, done real well. We last on the material for years and years. Look at the hinge, how everything is very nice and classy. The post on the side. So the post is attached to the wall, and there is another post in here that attached to the thicker post. We do that when we have large openings, and to give it like a thicker look on the sides. So that's this is this gate. And we go to here in the shade. We're exactly in front of the sun, so it's a little bit of an issue. And here we go. So that's how it looks like with the house. Beautiful. We're just loving it when we see a beautiful gate on a house. And that's something that the customer chose from some pictures that she saw on our website. And if you need our help, give us a call. We're at 1-800-562-5770. Avi Ben David at Mulholland. Have a beautiful weekend.